12 shocking cayenne pepper benefits you've been ignoring, and how to use it correctly. What if a simple red spice hiding in your kitchen cabinet could transform your health from weight loss to pain relief? From better heart health to fighting off infections? Most people just think of cayenne as a hot, mouth-burning spice. But what if I told you it's actually one of nature's most powerful healing tools, and almost no one's using it the right way? For over 9,000 years, ancient healers across continents, from the Native Americans to the Ayurvedic masters, swore by this fiery red miracle. They called it the fire that heals. Modern science now confirms they were absolutely right. Yet today, most of us ignore it completely, or worse, misuse it. So in this video, I'm revealing the hidden truth behind cayenne pepper's health benefits, proven by research, and how to unlock them properly in your daily life. Stick around, because one benefit in particular might completely change how you think about cholesterol, and another could help you breathe again, literally. Have you ever used cayenne for health, or is this totally new to you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you never want to miss powerful natural health tips that actually work, let's dive into the spice that just might change your life. Boosts fat burn naturally as your metabolism slowing down with age. Eating the same foods but gaining weight faster. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a powerful thermogenic compound that literally makes your body burn more calories, even at rest. That's right, it helps convert stored fat into fuel. Aztec warriors chewed hot peppers before long expeditions. Today, studies confirm cayenne increases energy expenditure and fat oxidation for hours after you eat it. Try this. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne into warm lemon water every morning on an empty stomach to awaken your metabolism. Supports a healthy heart. Feeling stressed lately? Has your blood pressure crept up quietly? Cayenne naturally stimulates nitric oxide, relaxing your blood vessels and helping your heart pump more efficiently. A 2023 meta-analysis confirmed it reduces both systolic and diastolic pressure in adults with mild hypertension. Try this. Take a 200 mg capsaicin capsule with your main meal to support blood pressure naturally. Relieves joint and nerve pain, aching knees, numb hands, nerve pain, keeping you up at night. Capsaicin is clinically proven to block pain signals by depleting substance P in your nerves, the chemical that tells your brain you're in pain. Topical capsaicin has been shown to reduce pain by over 25%, with effects lasting for weeks. Try this. Apply capsaicin cream 3 to 4 times a day to affected areas. Use gloves and prepare for serious relief. Clears sinus congestion, fast always breathing through one nostril, constant sinus pressure. Inhaling cayenne-infused steam helps shrink swollen nasal passages, reset overactive nerves, and drain stubborn mucus. Try this. Inhale steam from hot water with a pinch of cayenne, eyes closed. 5 to 10 minutes. Calms chronic inflammation. Do you feel like your body is always battling something, even when you're not sick? Cayenne helps turn down your body's inflammatory response by targeting key pathways like NF. Lowering systemic inflammation can protect you from heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Try this. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne to anti-inflammatory soups or bone broth for a deep internal cleanse. Balances blood sugar. Do you crash after meals or get foggy and irritable? Cayenne can reduce post-meal glucose spikes by up to 20%, helping prevent diabetes and energy crashes. It improves insulin sensitivity, reduces cravings, and helps your body use sugar efficiently. Try this. Sprinkle cayenne into oatmeal or roasted sweet potatoes for blood sugar balance. Boosts gut health, feeling bloated, gassy, or irregular. Cayenne helps rebalance your gut microbiome, supporting good bacteria and suppressing harmful strains. A healthy gut means stronger immunity, better mood, and smoother digestion. Try this. Mix a pinch of cayenne into your daily kefir or fermented drink. Balances cholesterol naturally. Has your doctor mentioned high cholesterol? Don't panic. Cayenne improves your lipid profile by increasing HDL while lowering LDL. It also reduces cholesterol oxidation, a major risk factor in heart disease. Try this. Take a 200 mg capsule with fatty meals to support healthy cholesterol. Enhances digestion and bile flow. Do you feel heavy after meals? Struggle with greasy food? Cayenne stimulates bile production, helping your body break down fats and absorb nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K more efficiently. Try this. Drink cayenne in warm water 20 minutes before meals to improve digestion. Fights superbugs, recurring infections, antibiotics not working. Cayenne has powerful antimicrobial properties. It kills antibiotic-resistant bacteria and can even help fight stubborn skin or throat infections. Try this. Make cayenne honey by mixing 1/4 TSP powder into raw honey, a natural, tasty throat remedy. Boosts circulation, cold hands, and feet. Slow wound healing. Capsaicin improves blood flow, especially in the tiny vessels that nourish your skin and extremities. Better circulation means faster healing and more energy. Try this. Soak your feet in warm water with cayenne for 10 minutes to stimulate local circulation. Shows anti-cancer promise. Have cancer run in your family? Concerned about cell damage? Cayenne may help abnormal cells self-destruct a process known as apoptosis. It also slows tumor growth in lab studies. While not a cure, it's a powerful addition to a cancer prevention lifestyle. Try this. Include culinary amounts in your daily diet, but always talk to your doctor about serious concerns. Safety first. Start small and build up. Cayenne is potent. Begin with 1/8 TSP daily and increase to 1/2 TSP over 3 weeks. Always take it with food and wash hands thoroughly after handling. Avoid if pregnant, breastfeeding, taking blood thinners, or if you have ulcers or severe acid reflux. Always check with your doctor if you're on medication. Your 30-day Cayenne Reset Plan. Week 1, start with morning lemon cayenne water and track how you feel. Week 2, add more to meals and try a foot soak or cream. Week 3, increase dosage and explore different delivery forms. Week 4, evaluate improvements and make cayenne a sustainable habit. Track your progress. Energy, pain relief, blood pressure, digestion, inflammation, sleep, circulation from melting fat and clearing sinuses to boosting immunity and fighting inflammation. Cayenne pepper is your all-in-one health hero, affordable, accessible, and backed by science. Tell me what benefit shocked you the most. Have you tried cayenne in your routine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this eye-opening, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural healing secrets every week. Next up, the black seed oil video that will completely change how you view immune health. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.